Okay, I have a problem. All right, so this is my third house in the military, and normally the maintenance people and the people who cut the grass and tend to your lawn, they just knock it out. But here, they get the front yard, they get even the side parts of the house, but they don't touch your backyard. And I don't have any lawn gear. But what I do have is a weed whacker. All right, hold on right there. Hold. Okay, all right, I'm back. I have a Black & Decker like weedy type. I put it all together, but then I realized I don't have a drop cord, if you will. If it ain't one thing, it's another. So I have to go to the PX and get a drop cord, and then I'll be able to do my backyard. Okay, so I'm going to head to the PX to get an extension cord. Hopefully they have them in stock, because I'm not trying to go off post. I'm trying to get in, get out, get one thing, because sometimes you have a list of 2 or 3 things and you come back with 7 and 8. I'm gonna go in for the extension cord and hopefully get my backyard squared away. Let's rock. Okay, on the way to the PX to get this extension cord for my Black & Decker weed whacker. That sounds kind of wild, but hopefully they have them. I really hope that they have them, because like I said before, I'm not trying to go off post. I'm trying to get it and go. Okay, so I'm getting close. I know it's in the hardware section. Let's see if I can find without asking. Secured it. Now let's be out. All right, we're all set. In and out, baby. I see one thing, I get one thing. Simple. So I am now on my way back home. But the only problem is now, it's about to rain. It's always something. Literally, it's always something. Okay, so as you can tell, the rain kind of delayed my plans. This is the very next day. I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. Again, I didn't expect this to be a 2-day event. All right, so let's just get started. All right. Okay, so I'm about probably 80% done. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right now so I can give all of my attention to the yard. It's looking a lot better. I'm going to eventually get an actual lawnmower because this ain't gonna cut it, but it'll do for now. All right, thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. More content like this coming, and always remember to be cool.